We have made use of the materials provided by nature for as long as we have made buildings. But usually, we harvest these materials after the organism that created them is dead. What if we could harness biology? What if we could create buildings by guiding biological systems in life? What if we could create buildings that are grown rather than constructed? Our group has begun to investigate this possibility. Using microbes and fungi, we are looking to make use of biological strategies for material fabrication across a range of scales, from the gene to a building. There are 4 basic fabrication strategies. 1. Material made of living cells, such as mycelium, where the root network of fungus acts as a binder, creating a composite material. 2. Materials which are made by living cells, such as bacteria cellulose, which is produced as a polymer and excreted outside the cell membrane. 3. Materials which are induced by living cells. For example, calcite, which is precipitated around certain types of bacteria in response to chemical changes caused by the microbe. 4. Materials which are made active by the inclusion of cells, such as hygromorphs, which respond to water by changing their shape, and are composed of bacterial spores coated on latex. By intervening in these biological processes, we can shape the outcomes to provide useful materials. This can involve genetic engineering cells to respond to inputs from the environment, as is the case in our Thinking Soils project, in which we are developing mechanical sensing bacteria to create a self-constructing building foundation. We can also integrate biology with digital methods of fabrication. This involves creating growth chambers and bioreactors where the environment can be controlled, creating a symbiotic relationship between biology and digital technology. As our methods develop, we are learning about nature's radical complexity. Understanding this complexity and working with it provides us both challenges and opportunities of aesthetics and function. We believe that these early experiments can be scaled up by combining different biological systems and fabrication to create complex composite materials. Vitruvius said that architecture is the imitation of nature. But what happens when we become architects of nature? Could we grow a city?